Hey, what's going on, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to get stuff done when you're unmotivated and overwhelmed. And I know that I'm not the only one. If you haven't checked out the last video, I'll leave the link up in this video so you can check it out, or in the description. And this is something that I found solutions to, and I wanted to share value to help you gain back your time and get things done, whether it's cleaning tasks or just trying to organize and prioritize what's important in your life. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe and join this community where we talk a lot about tips, tricks, how-tos to help you gain back your time with cleaning, because cleaning doesn't just happen from the exterior, it's from the interior, from within, so that we can spread kindness and love and joy to everyone else that surrounds us. So I have a few tips that I would like to share with you, and I hope that you get a lot of value out of it, because it has helped me tremendously make things a priority and just say, this is not important to me, this has to go. And knowing that will help you maximize your time and what's important to you. So before we dive in, one quote that resonated the most with me is from Robin S. Sharma. And Robin says that productivity isn't about how you run your time, but it's more about how you run your mind. See, when you have the proper mindset to accomplish your tasks and knowing what your goals are, it will help you to reach your dream or your ultimate goal this much closer. So that's what we're going to talk about today, and that's mainly what the series that you're going to continue to see videos like this every Sunday. We're going to focus on that. So let's dive right in. Tip number one is definitely figuring out what your goal is for that month or the week. Some of you may be trying to take care of your kids at home and you're overwhelmed and stressed, or work has just been overwhelming. Even though we're in a pandemic, we still have to make money, we still have to live, and we still have to find time to get everything done. And so that's why I felt that this video was important to helping you gain solutions to gaining your time back so you can get to maximize it. And so once you know what your goals are, you're going to want to write down what you need to do for the day. That's important, because what we're going to do is with the next tip is, once you write down what you need to do for the day, tip number 3 is you're going to want to categorize them. So you're going to want to write them down from important, urgent, and least important. Knowing this will help you set out what your day needs to look like so that you can focus. Most importantly, which is tip number 3, is focusing on the bigger picture. And that's getting the big task out of the way, the one that's going to stress you out, overwhelm you, and you're like, hold up, I didn't sign up for this. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's something that I've learned to acclimate to. It's not fun, but it's better when you're able to get it done. Hey, so when you're able to get it done, you feel this motivation, this is very satisfying when it's done. And then what I suggest is mixing it up with something fun and easy off of your task list, your to-do list. Now, the to-do list, some people call, I like to call it more of a priority list, because you're focusing on what your priorities are in regards to the categories of important and least important. That way you can focus your time where it needs to go instead of having distractions of the least important things. But mixing it up allows you to get them done and still have fun. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of these tips. It's definitely something that you should incorporate in with your cleaning routine. If you don't have a routine, check out this video. And we're focusing on helping to maximize your time. I can't say it enough, because time is something that we only have 24 hours and we're unable to get that time back. When you're able to distribute it to things that are important to you and to the people that matter, then you're becoming and setting time to become the better version of yourself. And that's what we focus here on this channel. If you want to be a part of a channel like this, a tribe like this, go ahead and subscribe. Share this to somebody who can get some value out of it. And before you go, I have one question. How are you, what do you do to organize and maximize your time? What works for you? Because I'm curious, this might not work for someone else. And so by you sharing what works for you might help somebody else. So leave that in the description below. I hope to see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.